Welcome to our tutorial on how to prepare your in-house team for staff augmentation. First, set clear expectations. Communicate the reasons and benefits of augmentation to your team. Then, clarify roles by defining the responsibilities of both in-house and augmented staff to avoid overlap. Arm your teams with the right tools for seamless integration and effective teamwork. Offer robust support to help your in-house staff adapt to the new dynamics. This could be through training sessions or mentorship. Finally, create a welcoming culture and environment that embraces and integrates augmented staff. Ready to start with staff augmentation? Explore our services today.